There are many roads to take after graduation, and not all roads lead to college. Some lead to meaningful careers, doing what you really want to do, and making money while doing it.
The college path is a great path for many people, but it's not necessarily a path for everyone. Working for a manufacturing business like this can be equally beneficial.
I worked in the back of a restaurant for about 4.5 years. There unfortunately wasn't any more room to grow. I wanted to try to move up the ladder somewhere. I actually had some sort of structure.
You know, college really wasn't for me so much. I was always been more of a hands-on person. Shop class, art classes, stuff like that was always more of my forte. Getting into an industry like this where I can work with my hands, it really helped me develop.
Through SEVMTC, we offer help to students who are looking for a local business where they might want to be a part of it. Daytona State College, they'll offer a single class to a student to help them grow, even up to a 4-year degree.
Local trade schools and programs can take your passion and channel it into a career. Get valuable certifications and training. Work hard and you can earn more than a college graduate without the college debt.
If you're in high school right now and you're considering going to college, but you're not exactly sure what you want to do, a good way to go would be to go to trade school. It's shorter, it's cheaper, and you will make money directly afterwards. A lot of places will hire you directly out of trade school.
There are several trade programs in the area that feed directly and are connected to our business, and those employees, while they're going through those trade school programs, can work here alongside of earning their education.
Right out of high school, you can begin your journey to a meaningful career, train on the job, and get paid to learn. Major manufacturers, names you know, are looking for you.
Starting a career right out of high school, you are building your life immediately. You are working in the field that is getting you the money that you need to be able to start your life and also be able to effectively pay off that debt.
Some people, they go to college and they have to work, a part-time job making minimum wage while paying their expensive tuition, and they leave college in debt and can't actually start making money till they're in their 30s.
Local manufacturing and trades offer salaries well above the minimum wage. And as you learn, train, and succeed, that wage goes up. Add health benefits, retirement savings, and opportunity for advancement, and you have the building blocks for a meaningful career, earning money from day one.
The first week you're here, you're earning an income while you're getting trained. You get health care, insurance, you even get your paid time off. It starts accruing after your 90 days.
When I was younger, I never really thought of having a savings or a 401k or health insurance. And now I'm actually excited on investing and putting into my 401k, so maybe I will be able to retire early and go travel and enjoy life.
Employers see the benefits of bringing in young workers who are eager to learn, earn, and grow.
New employees that are younger like that are able to come in and contribute on day one. We provide a lot of training here on site so that they can grow in their career, and day one they're going to be able to contribute.
If you're really not sure what you want to do when you grow up and become an adult, the best thing is to find a place to work and let us help you and train you. While you're being trained on the job, you're still getting paid to come to work. That hourly wage can then go towards tuition, purchasing a new home, buying a new car, and paying for those things that you want and you need.
If college isn't for you, you should honestly take a look in the manufacturing industry. It will help you grow as a person and in this world.
The road ahead of you is long and filled with opportunity along the way. If beginning a career in a trade is the road you want to take, talk to your counselor or a local trade school. They can help put you on the road to success.